Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to unbox that Hoco Y13 smartwatch and I will show you how to connect with phone. Let's unbox it first, then see what's inside the box. It is manual instruction which comes in different languages, and there's a QR code you have to scan for application. First of all, download that one application in your phone for set time and date, everything. Let's have a look of watch, how it's look like, and that crown shining was amazing texture, and that one crystal like a glass one body. If you see, amazing look. That one crown upside, silicone straps, metal buckle. And that's the magnet charger of the watch. First of all, we will charge it approximately 2 hours, then we will see how to use and what's the feature of that watch. There's a charging, we will wait for some time for charging.